Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the country you are watching this video from. In today's video, we are going to take last example on rationalization of surds. We have a question before us. We are asked to rationalize 5 divided by root 5 minus root 2. To solve this is very easy. Let's take a solution. Taking a solution. Here we have 5 divided by root 5 minus root 2. To rationalize this, we use the conjugate of the surd. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the surd. Since it's minus, change to what? Plus. If you have been watching my previous video, to solve this will not be an issue to you. So we have this times this, we have 5 root 5 plus root 2 over root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 plus root 2. We have something like this. Now 5 times 5 root 5 is what? 5 root 5 plus 5 times root 2 is what? 5 root 2. Root 5 times root 5. Since the surds are the same, we are going to take square of it. We have something like this. Root 5 times plus root 2 is what? Plus, since root 2 is the smallest, we pick the smallest before the biggest. Now we have done with that. Minus root 2 times root 5, we have minus root 2 root what? 5. Minus times plus is what? Minus. Since the roots are the same, we take the square of it. This we have 5 root 5 plus 5 root 2 over here. This square cancel the square root sign. Cancel the square root sign. Since this, they are subtract each other, they go. So here we have 5 minus what? 2. Such that we have 5 root 5 plus 5 root 2 divided by 5 minus 2 is what? 3. This is the answer to this kind of question. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.